Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace, mercy and blessings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be on all of you. In this program, you're most welcome to ask any questions on Islam and comparative religion, or any questions that a non-Muslim or atheist may pose you regarding Islam and you are unable to reply. You can also ask any questions that arise in the media regarding misconception about Islam or the attacking Islam, answers regarding reason, logic and scientific explanation regarding the Islamic teachings. This is the opportunity. You can ask questions on any of my 4 social media platforms, but the best and the most appropriate would be sending a text message on WhatsApp. And you can mention your question in brief along with your name, your profession, the city and country of origin to the WhatsApp number +60 11 269 53895. I repeat, +60 11 269 53895.